Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well during the coronavirus quarantine. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mask to protect yourself from coronavirus, as masks are not available. This mask is not as effective as the N95 respirators that they're using in hospitals and hospital wards, but it is good. It's probably good enough to protect you inside grocery stores or if you go outside. So first what you need to do is make a template. This is the one I just made. It has the dimensions right here. 9 centimeters, 13.5 centimeters, and 12 centimeters going up and down. So then you just trace it onto a piece of cloth or old shirt, and you're gonna put pins, so you cut them in the same size and you put them all around this, and then you're just gonna cut them out. So now that once you're done, you just have to take out the pins. So now you should have multiple layers of masks. So for one mask, you basically need 3 layers per side, and there's gonna be 2 sides made. So they're gonna be stitched like this. There's gonna be 3 on one side and 3 on another. So I have ironed all 6 layers, and now I'm gonna sew them together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew 3 of them on the top, right here, on the edges, but not here yet. Just on the edges, because we'll sew them together right here at the end. So enjoy the time lapse. So now that your mask is finished, you just want to cut off the edges to make them a little more even, so just like it so it looks nicer. So it just matters on the edges, not the actual top part, because that part is going to get sewed in and you're not really going to see it. But if it's really protruding, you can cut that as well. And then you're just gonna flip it over from this side like this. You're gonna like make sure all the things get outside. So for the elastic, we're gonna use a string. So it's like an elastic string, but you can use whatever you have. You're just gonna make a kind of big hole. So I found this thing in my mom's sewing drawer, which has a small blade right here. So it pokes a hole, and then you can grade the hole a bit bigger so this thing fits inside. So now we're just gonna put on the elastic, and then we're just gonna fit it to the size we like. So but it should be comfortable, because you should be wearing this sometimes all day in some areas. So guys, this is how this video is how to make a mask. As you can see, it fits really well to your face. And please let me know if you do try this. I made this out of an old t-shirt, but you can make it out of your underwear. It just has to be cotton, basically, so that the actual particles get trapped inside. So it works really well. Just make sure every time you take it off, you wash it. Not every day, every time you take it off. So if you take it off 2 times to eat dinner or something, wash it after that, or just use a steamer or an iron. Just make sure that the germs die. And yeah, please let me know if you do try this. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully stay safe during this outbreak.